Alright guys, so if you let your hair get as dry as mine, then fear not, because I have a solution for you, and it only requires 2 ingredients. These ingredients promote growth, they add shine to the hair strands, and they also help with detangling your natural hair. So if you're interested and want super moisturized and detangled hair results, then stay tuned and watch the rest of this video. The ingredients that I will be using today are flax seeds and rice water. So rice water has an ingredient called inositol in it, which helps to strengthen your hair strands and promote growth. It also adds shine to your hair, and it's something that the Yao women have used for centuries to have their luscious, long black hair. So what you're gonna need is about a 1/4 cup of rice and 1 to 2 cups of water. Mix those together, cover it, and then let it sit for at least 24 hours. Also, make sure that the rice you're using is washed, so that way you can have the cleanest rice possible. The next thing we are going to make is flaxseed gel. You're only going to need a 1/4 cup of flax seeds and 2 cups of water. So pour your 1/4 cup of flax seeds into a pot, and then pour your 2 cups of water. Then set it to a medium heat and just stir it along and let it come to a boil. Flax seeds are one of my favorite ingredients to incorporate into my hair regimen because its gel just promotes growth, it helps detangle my hair, it also adds shine, and every time I use it, I just have the best results. So once the flax seeds begin to boil, it'll start becoming really frothy, and that's how you know your gel is almost done. So at this point, you want to turn down the heat and then make sure that it just doesn't overflow. And casually stir it so that way the flax seeds will not stick to the bottom of the pan. Once you see your gel becoming gelatinous in texture, that's a sign to go ahead and strain it. And I prefer straining it while it is still kind of liquidy, so that way it has an easy time passing through the strainer. And then as the gel cools down, you'll start to notice that it thickens up. So don't worry if it's a little liquidy at first, because once it cools down, you'll have the texture that you're looking for. So this is generally what your flaxseed gel should be looking like if you strained it while it's hot. Still a little liquidy, but kind of jelly-like in consistency. So now we're gonna go ahead and combine our rice water into our flaxseed gel. This is an amazing combination of ingredients because it will leave your hair super detangled and shiny and moisturized. Shake the rice a little bit just to get out any excess rice water, and then begin to stir the flaxseed gel with the rice water until it has an even consistency and color. Once you're done stirring, you're going to want to go ahead and funnel it into a spray bottle. So I'm using this white funnel, and I'm just going to funnel it into the spray bottle that I got from Walmart. And if you notice that your consistency is too thick, it doesn't go through the spray bottle, just dump a little bit of the mixture out and then add some water in it, and you'll be able to spray it. Alright, so I'm starting on super dry hair, no other products, just so I can show you guys what this is going to do to my curls. And you'll see the major difference, because right now my hair is super matted, super dry, super tangled. And it's gonna be the complete opposite once I'm done. If your hair is dry like mine, just start by spraying it in small sections and then slowly finger detangle each section, so that way it could get thoroughly saturated with the rice water flaxseed mixture. Okay guys, so at this point my hair is so matted that I didn't even realize there was a bobby pin in there and I just found it. Don't be me. So if you want to know how often to use this, you can use it every day if you want to refresh your wash and goes. You can use it once a week before you wash your hair. You can use it to wash and go. This is just a really good multi-purpose spray that will promote growth, add shine, and detangle your curls. You can experiment with this rice water flaxseed gel spray. You can use it in a variety of ways and see what works best for your curls. So I finally finished one side of my hair, and now I'm going to move on to the other side of my hair, and I'm repeating the same thing. I'm just spraying small sections, and then I'm going to try to finger detangle gently and continue on throughout each section of hair. So these are my finished results. I'm just finger detangling through just to get any last knots and tangles out. But this was achieved with the rice water flaxseed mixture only. No conditioner, no leave-in, nothing. Just these two natural ingredients help to detangle my curls and bring them from super dry, super matted to nice and flowy and detangled. So if you try this, definitely let me know how it works for you. And let me know what you guys think of the results in the comments down below. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video.